Hi, it's Rachie and I'm from Rachie Reviews. This is my look that I've created with Feelunique. I have called it the Misconception of Beauty, and here you'll see why. Okay, so I've already started off by prepping the base with a nice primer, and now I'm going to get into foundation. So for this side of my face, I'm just going to be starting off with the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation, and I'm just going to be using a beauty blender to apply that. Just literally putting it on your face. Okay, now moving on to the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer, and I love this concealer as it's got illuminating properties in. And this is the Laura Mercier Translucent Powder. And I'm just pressing this into the under eye areas, also just on the lid. And I'm going to be taking the Rodial Instaglam Contour Powder. I absolutely love this product. I'm also going to sculpt out that nose a little bit. Okay, and now moving on to the brows, and I'm going to be taking the Benefit Brow Cream Gel Colour. And I think that looks good. Next product. To do my eyes today, I'm going to be using the Modern Renaissance by Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I'm just going to be taking a rounded brush and stamping into the Venetian Red, the lovely fuchsia type red. Now I'm just going to be taking a fluffy brush and going into the Love Letter here, which is a little bit more pinky toned. And we're just going to pack that colour above the one that we've just put down. And I'm just going to cut the crease now with the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer and just a rounded brush. Okay, so I've just sprayed a little bit of setting spray onto a nice rounded brush, and I'm going to be dipping into the shade Vanilla, which is a lovely champagne pop, hopefully which will look really nice on the eyelid. Okay, so now I'm just going to delve into the Real Girl, which is a lovely burnt orange kind of colour, and I'm just going to apply that to the lower lash line. Now just to add a little bit more pop and a bit more glitter and pizzazz and bam and wow, I'm going to be taking the Stila Magnificent Metals Glitter and Glow in the shade Gypsy. Okay, so after that we have done the eyes, so we're going to go straight in with the Benefit Roller Lash Mascara, which is my tried and true. I absolutely love it. Okay, so now I'm just going to be taking a little bit of highlight, and this is the Lightning Powder by Hourglass. Okay, so now finishing it off with the lips, as a look is never finished off with a bit of lippy, and I'm going to be taking the Charlotte Tilbury in Pillow Talk, which is this beautiful, perfect nude shade. Okay, now I'm going to be starting on the right side of my face, and this is going to be the everyday go-to run out of the door kind of look. Again, I'm going to be taking the Estee Lauder Double Wear, but not too much this time. I'm moving on to concealer, and no surprise, Nars Radiant Creamy. Now just a little bit of powder with the Laura Mercier Translucent Powder. Just a little bit of contour with the Rodial Instaglam Compact Deluxe. Okay, now moving straight onto the eyes, and this one is going to be very simple indeed. So just going to be taking the Bon Fresco, which is this beautiful muted kind of purple shade. Okay, moving on to, once again, my tried and true, which is the Roller Lash by Benefit Cosmetics. No highlighter, as like I say, this is just an everyday look, and we're just going to go straight in with lipstick. And I love how multifaceted and diverse this lipstick is. This is, again, the Charlotte Tilbury and Pillow Talk. Whether or not the world agrees, both sides of you are beautiful. So be proud, own it, be extraordinary, and be the best you that you can be.